Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 2-pack of kitchen, laundry room, whatever you want rugs. These are really nice and almost like a velvety feel on here. And they are completely non-slip. On the back, you can see just how good that is right there. So it would work great on any sort of hard surface, and it feels really nice. Now it does come in a variety of different patterns and colors and things like that on there. But with it being like a rubberized bottom, the top of it is actually, like if you spilled on it, it's actually going to absorb in that water, and that way you're not going to track it all over the place, make things all gross or anything. And it's easy to be able to clean off, whether you're just using like a lint roller on it, throw it through the washing machine, or just wipe it up with a nice rag. But these are beautiful little rugs. I love the little sunflowers on them, and they would look really good. I mean, there's not a big knock-up or anything that if you stepping on it, you're not going to trip over that. Love the non-slip. These are beautiful rugs to have in any area.